With any edge detail, always start with a squared edge. When working with 3cm material, grind the back of the slab to smooth the surface and fill any exposed air bubbles with Integra epoxy. Grind wet using either a coarse steel cup wheel or a 36 grit coarse carborundum stone for fast stock removal and general grinding, and never exceed the maximum RPM indicated on carborundum stones. In the interest of your personal safety and the environment, Urbanslabs recommends that you always grind wet whenever possible. Urbanslabs require very little pressure to grind. Go easy grinding your first Urbanslab fabrication project. When back grinding for laminations, grind lightly. And remember, use very light downward pressure whenever you're grinding Urbanslabs. Too much downward pressure when grinding will ruin the piece you're working on. And remember to make sure your pieces are totally dry before you start gluing your laminations. You can use just about any technique to dry off Urbanslabs pieces. Most fabricators dry off Urbanslabs by either laying them out in the sun or by using compressed air. Again, make sure that everything is totally dry before you start gluing. Integra adhesives are the only approved product for use with Urbanslabs for all laminating and seaming. And all Integra products are color matched to match perfectly with Urbanslab colors. Spread the laminating glue the same way you would any other adhesive. Work quickly though, as Integra glues have a much shorter open time than other glues. Like other glues you may be used to working with, make sure that you have 100% contact between the pieces that you are gluing. Use spring-loaded clamps to secure your laminations in place. The use of C-clamps has been found to crack laminations where spring-loaded clamps will not. Space your clamps out every 4 to 6 inches to get a nice tight glue joint. Smooth out your excess glue and fill any exposed air bubbles as needed. Make sure to clean off any excess glue on the backside of your lamination. Integra glue usually will set up in about 30 minutes at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. Once your glue is dry, you can start grinding and shaping. Water-cooled profile bits can be used to easily achieve many edge details. If you're grinding by hand, remember to think safety. Shaping and grinding can be done using a grinder, a hand router, or a CNC machine. Remember to use lots of water and hose down your equipment after machining Urbanslabs. If you use a CNC, remember that Urbanslabs are softer than granite, and adjust your CNC machine controls accordingly. With a little practice, you'll have a perfectly shaped edge profile. Next, we'll be ready to texture our edge details.